Imagine a cat capable of intercepting a bird mid-air, leaping 3 meters high from a standstill. Meet the Caracal, one of the most athletic predators on our planet. Often called the desert lynx, it is actually genetically much closer to the cougar. Looking at its grace, it is hard to believe that behind this beauty lies the power of a true interceptor. The Caracal's main trademark is its unique black ears with long tufts. These are not just for show. They are a complex natural mechanism. Each ear is controlled by 20 individual muscles, turning them into living radars that rotate to catch the slightest rustle of a rodent in thick grass or even underground. In the hunt, the Caracal is a master of stealth. Its hind legs are significantly longer than its front ones, providing that explosive thrust for a lightning-fast strike. It can lie motionless for hours, pressed so tightly to the ground that it becomes virtually invisible in the savannah. When the moment to attack comes, the prey stands no chance. The Caracal develops incredible speed and possesses phenomenal reflexes. Look at these adorable kittens. In their infancy, they look like house pets. But the instincts of a great hunter are already awakening. Like and comment if you were surprised by the Caracal's amazing superpowers.